Hi English learner, welcome to my new video. My name is Vinay Kumar and today I am going to talk about how to speak English in front of camera. Speaking in front of camera can feel difficult at first time, but speak with and it's become easy. The best way to improve is to speak daily and record yourself. This helps you build confidence and improve your fluency. Do not afraid to making mistakes. Make mistakes a part of learning. Just speaking and keep improving. So thank you for watching my video and like my video and subscribe my video. So see you tomorrow guys.